Please keep aloof from matter. Keep me away from this nonsense.
Pardon, ma'am?
Keep me away from this nonsense. Keep aloof from this matter.
Yes, keep
या
aloof
आप
from
किसी
this
को
matter.
कह रहे हो keep aloof from this matter, यानी इस मैटर से दूर ही रहो, ठीक है? तुम कल मेरे साथ बाजार चलोगे?
Will you come?
Will you accompany me?
Will you accompany me to the market?
To a market. To the market.
Yes. तुम्हारी गलती ने मुझे कहीं का नहीं रखा.
Your mistake has let me down.
Your mistake has let me down. तुम इतने परेशान क्यों हो?
Why are you disturbed?
Disturbing.
Why are you so upset?
Upset.
Okay. ये बात अपने तक ही रखना.
Keep it up. Keep
it up to you. Keep it up to you.
Up to you.
Up to you.
अच्छा, how are you की जगह क्या बोल सकते हो मैम? गीतू मैम बताएंगी. How are you?
How have you been? How's it
Yes.
going? How's everything? How's thing going? What's up or what's new?
What's new? Ma'am, you have to inculcate these words in you. ये आप प्रैक्टिस कीजिए. देखिए अभी आपको मैं रिवीजन भी करवा रही हूँ, but somewhere here and there आपको टाइम लगेगा थोड़ा सा. तो you give a practice. जब आपको टाइम मिले, you can give a reading and all. Okay?
Okay.
कल मैंने आपको एक प्रोनाउंसिएशन कराई थी अलास की.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Tuition.
कौन बताएगा? गीतू मैम बताएंगे?
Tuition.
Yes, ma'am. Tuition.
मैंने आपको ट्यूशन बताया था.
Tuition. Tuition.
Tuition.
Tuition.
Tuition.
Tuition. फिर से बोलिए मैम.
Tuition. Tuition.
Tuition.
Tuition. Tuition. Tuition. Tuition. Tuition. Tuition. Tuition. Tuition. Tuition. Tuition. Tuition. Tuition.
Yes, मैम. कौन बताएगा? गीतू मैम बताएंगी.
Interrogative. Interrogative.
Interrogative. Interrogative.
Interrogative.
Yes.
Interrogative. Interrogative.
Yes, ma'am.
Photography.
Photography.
Photography. जिसने बोला ठीक बोला. कौन बोल रहे थे?
Photography.
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 Photography. Yes.
Photography.
Comment.
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 Yes.
Comment.
Okay. ठीक है मैम. So you enjoyed the class?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. आपको थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट लग रहा है मैम? नीतू मैम?
No, ma'am.
You're enjoying?
Yes, ma'am. I'm enjoying.
Okay. Namita ma'am, how are you?
Yes, ma'am. I'm very comfortable and I enjoy also.
Okay. So see you tomorrow.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Thank you,
I
all
think
of you.
Ma'am, I think you are not comfortable. You are.
No, actually, this board, that's why I'm not writing. I'm not comfortable here. But the problem is that if I keep it in other position
ma'am.
where I am comfortable, it will not be visible to you.
No, I
Okay.
don't talking this way. You again telling Gitu ma'am, Neetu ma'am, Namrata ma'am. You can give us roll number 1, 2, 3.
No, it's okay, ma'am. No, not like that. Because we'll
You
get
can
new additions.
call us by name only, ma'am. You
Okay,
are
ma'am.
teacher
No
and we are
problem.
all our students.
Actually, I'm in a habit of talking like that.
Okay.
I talk to my youngers also in that manner only.
Okay.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Okay. I feel comfortable that way.
Okay.
Okay. See you, all of you.
See you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye.